Hello friends, welcome to Blueprint Studio. In this video, we're diving into a sneak peek of our exciting design project located in Canwa. The client has specifically requested a striking and contemporary home design for their 20 by 60 feet property, and we've delivered a design that impeccably aligns with their preferences. Upon entering through the main gate, a 17 feet 6 inch by 12 feet wide car parking area is provided, flanked by green vegetation on both sides, seamlessly aligning with the design intent. As you step into the house, an exquisitely positioned cantilevered floating staircase welcomes you on the right, creating a clean and inviting entryway. Indoor vegetation has been seamlessly integrated, enriching the warm and inviting ambiance. As you enter through the main gate, you'll step into this connected living and dining space, where you can greet your friends and family. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. This integrated living, dining, and kitchen area spans 27 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 6 inches, offering a modern sense of openness within the interior and fostering a spacious environment, especially within such a compact plot. For a seamless integration of the kitchen and dining area, a modern dining table has been connected to the kitchen platform, embracing an integrated approach. You'll find a comfortable laundry space located near the kitchen. Additionally, there's an open area specifically suitable for air drying clothes to give them a sun-kissed freshness. Now let's check the first floor master bedroom. The entrance to the primary master bedroom feels refreshing, surrounded by greenery and an open sky area. The master bedroom measures 18 feet 8 inches by 11 feet wide, featuring an attached toilet and bathroom seamlessly integrated, giving it a hotel-like entrance vibe. There's a small toilet and powder room for everyone's use, located beneath the staircase. Now let's explore the first floor layout, which has 2 bedrooms along with small gymnasium. Let's take a look at the main bedroom on the first floor. It shares the same layout as the one on the ground floor and is connected by a cantilevered gallery. Now, let's visit the multi-purpose gym and lounge area, a space to work out and relax at your convenience. Just beside the lounge area, there's another bedroom that comes with its own attached bathroom for added comfort and convenience. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on house designs. Thank you.